What's up again, guys? Welcome back to my VPS tutorial. And now we will set up an SSH keys to log in securely to your EUGameHost VPS. So if you don't know how to set up EUGameHost, I have a tutorial for that, and the link is on the description. So let's get started. So I'll just quickly log into my EUGameHost. So I am here on my server dashboard, and I'll access my control panel. So we'll just click this one. Okay, so our server is running, and now we will go to SSH keys and we will add a key. Name your SSH key, or you can use random name, and click generate key pair. Use RSA2, and 2048-bit is the default size key, and for more secure you can use 4096-bit. And then choose Open SSH for the key format. We'll generate. Then we will copy this private key, and be sure to keep this private key locally and secure this one, because this is very important. So we will copy this one and we will save this as .pem. So let's save this one, EUGameHost.pem. Click save. Then let's go back to our server and we will click save. Then we will go back to servers. We will manage, and we will rebuild our server. Just click continue. Then name your server, add a host name, and choose an operating system. So for this one, I will choose Ubuntu. We'll choose Ubuntu 24.04. And here, under the SSH keys tab, we will choose our SSH keys we have created earlier. And we will install our Ubuntu. Just install now. Then we will log into our VPS using the SSH keys we have created. So we will use Bitbase. So here, under authentication, put your username as root. And for initial method, we will use our SSH key. So we will go to client key manager first. Then we will import. We will import the private key we have created earlier. This is the private key .pem. So we'll open this one, and you can set a paraphrase to protect your key locally, and we will import our private key. So we will close this one, and for initial method, we will choose public key and click client key and choose the private key we have imported. Click OK. And now for server, just put your IPv4 here and use port 22. And click login. Accept and save. And now we are using SSH key to log into our server. So you have noticed that we don't use any password, because password-based authentication can be vulnerable to brute force. So congratulations, you have set up an SSH key to secure your VPS. Then the final step is disabling the password-based authentication. So we will go to new terminal console. We will go to nano etc ssh sshd config. So look for password authentication. So we will search password authentication. We will uncomment this one by removing this hashtag, and we will set this to no. ctrl X if you are using Windows, choose Y and enter. Then we will restart our SSH service by typing systemctl space restart SSH. So that's it. Now you cannot log in using password-based authentication. So I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.